Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this very rare, lovely Honda Civic Type R. It's the first of the turbo models. Absolutely stunning condition. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. It's got front park distance control, gloss black alloys with the red stripe insert, red Brembo brakes, gloss black all over. From every angle you look at the car, it's different line. It's absolutely gorgeous looking. Sounds impeccable. Quad exhausts, deeper big diffuser, got reverse park sensors with a camera. Car is lovely. It's very rare we get one of these in stock. As you can see, it's stunning. All our cars are photographed and videoed outside, but are kept in indoor showroom for viewing. Boot area is in impeccable condition as well. Interior is in lovely condition. Obviously electric windows, electric mirrors. Park distance control, lane assist, the R button turns everything red, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, the plaque number 2209. I'll just start the car up. Sounds absolutely awesome. Press the R button. Satellite navigation, camera, DAB radio, USBs, climate control. I'm sure this is a host of everything you can do. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.